One thing that I absolutely hate is when people, or when you're talking to somebody and they're on their phone, or they get a message and they look at it and they start texting. Like, am I not here? Like, I am trying to talk to you and you are now distracted by your phone. Why do people do this? When I see somebody do this, it's literally an immediate turn-off. If I am with a girl and she pulls out her phone and she starts texting while we're having a conversation, it's like, wow, this is going nowhere. I'm not attracted to you anymore at all. Because apparently what's on your phone is more important than you interacting with me. So whenever I'm in a conversation with somebody, I always try to leave my phone in my pocket. If it vibrates, like I have a message or a notification or something, I won't look at it unless I go to the bathroom or something like that. The reason I gave that story is because today I want to talk about focusing on living and being in the moment instead of just walking and going through life without being aware of what is actually going on. And I originally got this idea from this really good book that I'm reading. It's called Own the Moment by Carl Lentz. He is the lead pastor of Hillsong, New York, and it has a lot of down-to-earth principles that you guys can implement in your life, and it's a really good read. I'm about partway through it. Basically, whatever you're doing, whatever situation you're in, whether that is going on your daily commute, which you do every single day, or going to the grocery store, try to make that a monumental or an exciting event. Have you ever gone on the subway and had a fun time? I don't think anybody really does. He recommends to go on the subway and make it the most exciting time of your life. I'm not really sure how to do this, but something that I might try and just basically make a fool out of myself, but it really doesn't matter to me because I am trying to have fun myself and hope that other people will have fun along with me. If they laugh at me, so be it. Let's not make your daily decisions or daily routines, like going to the grocery store, going to work, one of those just another moments, like just another day at the office, like everybody says. Let's make it the best time of the day. Let's make it the best moment of that day and try to do that in every single moment of that day to make it a really good day, so that when you are telling your spouse or your parents or your brother and sister how your day went, you can tell them how amazing it was because you were so focused on owning each and every moment of that day and making it the best possible it could be, that it was so good. And this is something that kind of clicks in your mind. If you focus on the best things and the good things and focusing on how you can improve and how things can be better and how you can look on the positive side instead of all those negative people looking at the negative side. Own every single moment and make the best of it, and then looking back on the day, you will realize how exciting and how positive that day was actually, just by switching your mindset and focusing on owning the moment, making the best possible outcome of every single situation throughout that day. Do you guys know what your favorite day ever was? Do you guys remember it? I'm having difficulties recollecting, but I know it's probably somewhere in the summer or when I was on vacation or something like that. But I know that throughout that day, I was fully aware of every single situation that took place. So this week, let's focus on being aware of the situation we're in and making each day the best that it can possibly be. Own the moment, guys. Own the moment. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like it as well. And if you have any comments about owning the moment, I would love to hear them down below. Thanks, guys.